Dimapur Municipal Council di itia same Twitter group pak huigina taka tikibole paigina ahi taka same Advisor of Urban Development and Municipal Affairs Zalio Riobra mamla upar kotakrishe. DMC laga leadership bidordi crack olaigna ahigna se kintu Jabadi chairperson Imli Naru laga group ra DMC chairperson Hokyato Kilaf May 11 day no confidence motion DCG pataigna takishe. Aro May 22 day DC Dimapur bra meeting ekta convene kurigna se. DMC laga mamla upar luigna Zalio Riobra statement diya details saisabo.
Sir, of course, you did address the problems in the ULBs and the Dimapur Municipal Council. As you can see, a no confidence motion was submitted against the chairperson. So, yes, you have appealed that everybody must come together, but this is happening on and on, going and going, that even the state government lost to the chairperson in the court. So, can you tell us a permanent solution for DMC now? Sir, what is the government's plan?
No, DMC in particular. Actually, this is not our first exhortation or presentation. Maybe after election, maybe starting from 3 months onward, this kind of blame game or suspicion, mistrust was there. So throughout, I also, in my own personal capacity and on behalf of the department, I've been appealing to them. And it's very unfortunate that from our political party, the then NDPP, now NPF, has created all this problem. But now the matter is lying in the court of Deputy Commissioner Dimapur. So since a non-confidence motion has been already moved, so we have to only wait for that outcome.
Doesn't this show a bad light on the municipal council, that this is a big precedence that is going to happen if the chairperson loses on the floor, sir?
See, to sum up, after our election, even Newland has already changed their first chairperson, even KMC Kohima. So we try to prevent that the elected representatives, at least they should deliver the goods to the public. But unfortunately, this has happened. And we were trying to contain all this so that it doesn't create any bad precedent.
Yes.
That's why I always refer to Mokchung Municipal Council. They are doing very well. They are collecting revenue. They have been able to pay even employees' salary. Over and above, they are also doing some development work, providing basic services to the people. So I always keep telling Mokchung Town Council should be, example should be emulated. And I don't want to blame anybody, but here and there I think this is the lack of quality, leadership quality.
So it is NPF versus NPF, you can say that, in the DMC right now. So apart from the urban development side, what is the NPF leadership saying also to their councillors from the party, from the political side of you?
I heard that NPF, they also tried for damage control. But let us see how much this can come about.
Right. The DMC and East Dimapur, under Dimapur, is just reeling under so many issues that there seems to be no solution since the ULB's election has taken place. So, is the government planning anything? Is there any plan of action?
No. Government is also observing the situation. And for DMC, like I said, already no confidence motion has been moved. So we have to wait for that outcome. But on the quiet, even from party side,
Yes.
I think they may be doing some homework.
Okay. So today we saw the flagging off of all these sanitation trucks, but then again, coming back to DMC, again the trucks, the vehicles used for the garbage disposal, it is again in shambles, and we have garbage falling off the trucks also while it's being transported to the dumping zone. So even that, is there any plans to revamp?
No. This is very much in the pipeline. But I tell you, no matter how many vehicles, no matter how many employees we give them, no money, how much funds we provide. Unless they come together, it's very difficult. So they should learn to come together and work, and they should give public interest overboard. And they should work as a team. I can only vouch for that.